NCAA Clearinghouse is the system that regulates student athletes. NCAA is a membership-driven organization that is dedicated to safeguarding student athletes and preparing them to succeed in college or university athletics and in the classroom. The NCAA is divided into 3 divisions and regulates sports in most colleges and universities. They create the rules for competition and also the academics necessary to become a member of the NCAA. All student athletes must pay fee to enter the clearinghouse in hope to be recruited to a college or university. Then must meet the requirements of the division where you want to compete. As a 2014 high school graduate, I am required by the Montana High School Association to have so many core courses to graduate. But as a student athlete wanting to golf in college or university level, I am required by the NCAA to fulfill certain core courses requirements. In 2014, they changed the requirements from 14 credits to 16 core courses for an NCAA Division II school. What this means is you have to have a minimum of 2 histories, 2 sciences, 3 maths, 4 English, and 4 from additional math, English, science, history, foreign language, religion, and philosophy classes. These are not the same as the 16 courses accepted by MHSA. When in 2016, the NCAA will be changing their requirements to 18 core courses and a 2.3 GPA. I am from Forsyth High School. I have more than exceeded MHSA requirements, but in December 2013, I found out that Forsyth High School had not updated their NCAA file since 1997, and my counselor had not done a check on what was required. So my school was still under the misunderstanding that I only needed 14 core credits to complete the Division II school. So my 5 maths, 3 history, 3 English, 3 science, and 1 Spanish, and combination of 7 arts and computers were not accepted to meet the NCAA requirements. Now, how is a student athlete from a small school supposed to compete with the opportunities of a larger school student athlete where most class variety is available? I found out recently that I have 3 courses that actually met NCAA requirements, but a small portion of these are dealt with social skills, which then makes that class unacceptable core requirement. I have a problem with the NCAA requirements. I believe there should be 2 options. 1, the requirements that they have now, or 2, lower the core courses requirements to 14 and raise the GPA to 2.5 or 3.0, which would make it easier to find classes that would work, but also make students try to achieve better grades. At this time, you have to have a 16 core courses, but only a 2.0 GPA. As a msu-billings athlete, I am required to carry a 3.2 GPA and 15 credits per semester. How does an athlete go from an accepted GPA of a 2.0 to a required 3.2? A 2.0 is only a C- in our school, and our school's grading is harder than most schools in Montana. How does a student athlete survive the first year of college? This is a huge endeavor for a student that is not an athlete. You are pulled out of the parents' supervision and added extensive peer pressure. As an athlete, you have 4 to 6 hours on sports and 4 to 6 hours on classwork. Now add mealtime and sleep. This has observed a normal 24 hours period. What college athlete follows the timeline? Where's the playtime, hangout time, girlfriend time, party time? NCAA needs to reevaluate their requirements.